Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today's wellness discussion is on affirmations. In this video, you will learn about what affirmations are, their benefits, and how to use them in your day-to-day life. A kind reminder to subscribe to the channel and also ring that notification bell so that way you and I can stay connected. What are affirmations? Affirmations are statements that describe a goal in its completed state. Affirmations can help us stay focused on that particular goal and can also encourage us to overcome any obstacles that we may encounter along the way. Affirmations are positive statements that are intended to help us overcome negative thoughts or even limiting beliefs about ourselves. For example, limiting or negative thought patterns could be, I am not good enough, I will never be successful, I can't do this, and so on. Affirmations can help break these negative thought patterns. The thing is, we may not even be aware of these repetitive thought patterns as they may have turned into a habit over time. We may not always tune into what we are thinking or what we vocalize. It is not until we turn our attention inward and start really listening to what we are saying to ourselves that we realize that perhaps the words we use are not useful or serving us well. So affirmations are intentional thoughts that are intended to support us in some way, whether that be in relation to positive thinking, confidence, happiness, anxiety relief, achieving a particular goal, and so forth. Affirmations are words, phrases, and beliefs that we would like to manifest in our lives. So we think about the affirmation, we say the affirmation, we believe the affirmation, and then that affirmation becomes our reality. Essentially, we are flooding our minds with thoughts and images that we would like to manifest. Consider the difference between thinking and saying, I can't versus I can. For example, I can't study because I don't understand anything versus I can study and I am going to try my best to learn this new material. By repeating positive affirmations on a daily basis, we are reprogramming our unconscious minds to think more positive as well as productive thoughts. Essentially, we are creating thought patterns that will serve us well, statements that we wish to manifest. Benefits of using affirmations. One benefit that I have already mentioned is reprogramming our thought patterns to think more positive thoughts and beliefs. Thoughts and beliefs that do not limit us, but rather encourage us to reach for the stars. Affirmations can encourage and motivate us to achieve our goals, such as personal and professional goals. Affirmations can make us feel good, giving us a boost in confidence and self-esteem. Affirmations can cultivate joy, happiness, appreciation, and also gratitude for oneself. Affirmations can alter our perspective or even change how we feel about certain situations. Perhaps you have experienced a problem that felt very large. Affirmations can help us take a step back and reevaluate that situation. So maybe the problem that felt so large or so heavy at one point no longer feels that way. So affirmations can actually help reduce stress or even overwhelm. When affirmations become a core part of your life, notice how this not only affects you, but also those around you. It can have such a beautiful ripple effect. These are just a few of the many benefits of affirmations. How to use and/or create affirmations. So you may be thinking, okay, cool, so I understand what affirmations are and I know some of their benefits, but how do I use them? No worries, I gotcha. When selecting or deciding upon an affirmation, I encourage you to decide upon one that is easy to remember. This is because you typically repeat the affirmation either in your head or out loud throughout your day. There are so many affirmations that you can choose from, which may be a little overwhelming. So I invite you to ask yourself, what do you want to manifest? In other words, what is most meaningful to you right now? Or what words will best serve you and your goals? Your affirmations can be related to your career, your relationship with yourself or others. It could be related to a goal, an aspiration, or words to motivate you. So perhaps you would like to feel more confident. Your affirmation could be, I feel confident. You can repeat that throughout your day or for as long as you would like. Your affirmation could be, inhale confidence, exhale self-doubt. Perhaps you don't feel worthy of receiving love. So your affirmation could be, I am love, or I am worthy of receiving love. Affirmations can be very general or specific to you. So I invite you to consider how you feel, as well as pay attention to the thoughts that come to the surface. This can help you determine what you would like to manifest. And if you are unsure, Google it. There are so many affirmations out there. Perhaps you come across one that really resonates with you. Just as a side note, you can also use affirmations to support you in your yoga and meditation practices. When creating your own affirmations, I recommend starting with the words I am, and then decide upon a word or a few words that you believe will best serve you in the present moment. For example, I am enough, I am amazing, I am resilient, I am ready, I am strong, I am the author of my own story, and so on. I recommend keeping the affirmation brief and to the point to start, something that you will be able to remember throughout your day. Keep the affirmation in the present tense, as this is something that you wish to manifest right here, right now. Your affirmation can include an action word and or an emotion. For example, I let go of anger, I view challenges as opportunities for growth, I feel calmer with each breath that I take, and so on. I encourage you to choose one or two affirmations that serve you well right here in the present moment. However, with that being said, affirmations are not static. They can change. So if you do feel that there is a word or maybe a series of words that would serve you better, feel free to make any adjustments to your affirmations. You can write your affirmation down on a piece of paper. Put it in your wallet, purse, backpack, pocket, hang it up on your wall or on your mirror. You can look at it throughout your day to remind you of your affirmation. You don't need to say your affirmation out loud. You can always just repeat your affirmation in your head throughout the day. Sometimes our days are extremely busy and we completely forget about our affirmation. It's all good, no worries, it happens. So what I do encourage you to do is to link your affirmation to something that you do every single day. For example, every single time that you go get a drink of water, perhaps say your affirmation. That way it becomes a core ritual. Finally, if you would prefer to listen to affirmations, feel free to go to YouTube and then you can type into the search bar, daily affirmation for blank, and then you would fill in that blank. So it could be related to a goal, an emotion, or a particular thought. Anything that would serve you well in the present moment. Please note, some affirmations may resonate with you while others won't. That is okay. There's always an invitation to explore the affirmation as it may be applicable at some point in the future. It is my hope that you have a better understanding of what an affirmation is, some of their benefits, how to use an affirmation, and maybe even how to create your own affirmation. If you feel comfortable doing so, feel free to let me know what your affirmation is in the comments down below the video. My affirmation is, I give myself permission to pause for fresh air. This serves as a reminder to make some time for self-care and to put that to-do list off to the side for a moment. All right, my dear friends, thank you so very much for listening. Take good care. Namaste.